Judge Jack Puffenberger made it clear why Kei'Mani's mother and grandmother were in court. Kei'Mani's mother, Tiara Caston, appeared virtually.
There seems to be some disagreement between next of kin on how the disposition of the deceased remains.
Her grandmother, Dorothy Latigue, filed this paperwork in probate court on Friday, asking the judge to hear the case. The grandmother said her only desire is to dispose of Kei'Mani's remains respectfully, but they can't bury the child because she and her mother are fighting over who has the right to plan the funeral.
To my understanding, we had a disagreement only because she felt like she wasn't invited to the ceremony, only because we have not kept in contact since the situation arose.
Police say Kei'Mani Latigue was murdered at the hands of her father, Darnell Jones. Her body found in this abandoned home. The community outraged. Her body moved from funeral home to funeral home. Judge Puffenberger saying this has gone on too long. He based his decision off of how close the women were to Kei'Mani and their plans for the funeral.
She's not just been in my house for the past 5.5 years. When she was with the prior custodian, we still kept contact to the point where Kei'Mani was still coming back and forth to my home.
Kei'Mani's mother told the court,
"The last time that I was permitted to see my child was her 11th birthday. I would say that based off of the interactions that I've had with my daughter and the conversations that we had, I do believe we were close."
Ms. Latigue, I assume your daughter would be invited to the private family funeral.
And of course.
You would not try to exclude her?
No.
He asked how the grandmother would pay for the funeral.
Was there some community money donated for a funeral?
There were several organizations that are providing their services. So to date, again, everything is paid for.
The judge ruled in the grandmother's favor.
What I had planned was a private ceremony so that the family could attend, and we have a open casket funeral, and then there was a public ceremony also planned for the community.
And Kei'Mani's grandmother told the judge that she would like to have Kei'Mani's funeral this week. Back to you.